Now if this candle makes a nice bottom wick, then we break this high. I'll get in and use this candle as an entry, use the low as a stop loss. Love that break of the high. Yep, we'll be in some gold buys. Got a buy stop here, waiting for gold to break the high. 31, it's about 31.50. Yeah, I'm in. But if it comes back to where the candle opened, I'm closing 50%. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna close 30%, 80% here, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna close. If price breaks this 15-minute low, I'm gonna close my runner there at 20 pips.